Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the MSI Vigor GK30 gaming keyboard. This keyboard is a solid option for gamers seeking a balance of performance and value. It boasts unique mechanical-like plunger switches, providing a satisfying tactile response for every keystroke. You'll also find stunning RGB lighting with 10 distinct effects across 6 customizable areas, allowing you to personalize your setup. Plus, its water-repellent design adds a layer of durability, protecting against those inevitable accidental spills. Let's dive into the design and durability of the Vigor GK30. This full-sized keyboard, measuring approximately 43.8 centimeters wide, 15.7 centimeters deep, and 38 millimeters high, weighs just over 1 kilogram. Its floating key design not only looks sleek, but also makes cleaning a breeze. For enhanced stability during intense gaming sessions, it features a robust gaming base right under the spacebar. The keyboard connects via a durable 1.8-meter USB cable, ensuring reliable performance. When it comes to performance, the MSI Vigor GK30 truly shines. Its mechanical-like plunger switches offer a crisp and responsive feel, rated for over 12 million keystrokes. For competitive gaming, you'll appreciate the 6-key rollover and 20-key anti-ghosting, ensuring every command registers accurately. You can personalize your keyboard's look with 7 colors and 10 lighting effects across 6 zones using the MSI Dragon Center software. Convenient hotkeys also allow for on-the-fly adjustments to lighting and media playback. So, is the MSI Vigor GK30 the right keyboard for you? It delivers a surprisingly premium feel and a water-resistant design, making it a durable choice for everyday use and gaming. The mechanical switches strike a great balance, offering a tactile experience without the higher cost of true mechanical keyboards. With extensive RGB customization through 6 lighting areas and the Dragon Center software, you can truly make it your own. For gamers seeking solid performance and durability on a budget, the GK30 is an excellent contender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.